Alright, so talking about women. As a man we travel to a couple different countries around the world, you know, you experience different culture. What's the major difference you'd say between Jamaican women and, for instance, Spanish women?
They're a lot more friendlier. They're overseas.
Yeah.
A lot more friendly, accommodating. I think Jamaican women, I don't know if I hurt or trauma or what, but Jamaican women, no, you can't even get a word in at this point with them. Yeah, man.
They never make you finish a sentence.
Brother, I say one time, I tell you a scenario, oh, body please.
Yeah.
One girl I walk in front of me one morning. She like me I go work.
Yeah.
When we reach work and I ate some breakfast really. And one girl in front of me and I see some money on the ground.
Yeah. They think a fair one drop.
Yeah, me a stop her, brother. The girl not take no talk.
She think a man, she think yeah look her.
Girl not take no talk, brother. First and foremost, you can't think me a thief because me in the early morning I'm dressed for work.
So wait, you just take the money?
Me go buy the breakfast. With the money there. Yeah, man.
So she don't want it.
So no problem, man.
She don't want it.
Yo, me I try to stop the girl, me I walk her down and she does nah.
Her head is straight, cause she said, nah, man, I look her right now.
She has said she not interested. Me not interested in her.
But just the money that make her know herself, no she drop her money.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Like, man, I tell you no, like, I used to hold doors for women.
Not again.
The last time it hurt me, dog, but at the pharmacy.
Yeah.
And me, I exit the pharmacy. And a nice young lady I come towards the pharmacy. So me I hold the door for her to enter the pharmacy. And instead of saying thank you, the girl look at me up and down. She give me a up and down look and cut her eye. I just walk in, kiss her teeth, walk in. I feel a weird dream. I said, Jano.
Me don't know what you're
doing. I try to be polite and manners, you know.
Me don't know what
I say, I get a cut eye there. The cut eye could have like cut you.
Yeah.
She cut her eye, she cut me there with her eye there. I said, Jano. You can't be polite no more.
And then guess what? But we as men, as Jamaican men, have a part to play in that too.
The thirsty one them.
Yeah, we'll go too hard sometimes.
I don't want them with too thirsty.
And they just don't know. You understand?
They might be themselves, but
yeah.
It make we the normal man them now suffer.
Yeah,
the thirsty man them look them too hard.
Them a go hard, man.
So all I want to try tell herself like her money drop. 100 man every day I rush her, you know, so she does always.
Especially because she's walking on the road.
Yeah.
And like so she in her comfort her car, she can't move or she want to move or whatever. So when them the one with on the road I walk up and down all half a tree and so.
Boy, 100 man look them man.
Baby. Hey, bro, them tired.
Big body.
Yeah. Browning. Yo, me a fucking here, right now. Yeah, so the man them go on.
There's a we at the same time at the car side.
Yes, we have a lot to do with it. And then so I think it's trauma based off that.
Yeah.
And enough of them get preyed upon in the community where them come from too.
Yeah, man.
So it's a lot of factors. Why when you see them on road, them just not interested, and then the experiences what them have with man too. You have someone who genuinely look for a relationship.
Yeah.
See? They meet a nice guy like myself. And at the end of the day, me really and truly I do some catches more. So me get it. Bam bam 2 times. You me tell her some story why we can't work. See? Yeah, me emotionally unavailable. It can't work. Boom.
Yeah.
They meet Shams now. Nice guy too, you know.
Yeah, man.
2 Shams not black and delete. She try to call Shams and take Shams phone. No answer.
Shams.
Another man now again. A 3 man that now, you know.
Pinky now.
A 3 man that now, you know.
So our defensive systems up.
Yeah, because guess what? She genuinely look somebody for They with you
A
know.
relationship.
And the man
How
them,
shadow I get used.
3 man that gone under the belt they so.
Yeah, I know.
You see? That a reach enough for them, you know.
Yeah.
Bam, bam, bam. Yeah. So by the final look, they reach 10.
Yeah.
Them no bargain for 10, you know. Them never bargain.
And they don't want that relationship with the first
From
one.
1,
But they end up at 9 and 10.
10.
Are you a producer?
Yes, facts. That's exactly how the game is.
So them really and truly not have time, brother.
So, what is the cultural difference? Alright, which Spanish country you did go recently? And what is the cultural difference you would say
As me
that
said,
from Jamaica to that country? Which country did you go?
DR. But here,
Dominican Republic.
Yeah, Dominican. But here,
So,
so,
yeah.
still, for them culture different too. Because everybody this our work, you know.
So the unemployment. And that's a big factor in Jamaica, unemployment.
So
They're
they
so desperate.
them friendly too.
Yeah, but everybody
But
at
them a
work.
work. So you just know, say, yo, you have to go in your pocket.
Because them done our work
Even
already.
the normal people, girl, where you see her come on, you didn't talk
So, well,
Spanish
good
and
job.
rub it on and talk a little thing, but she working.
She working.
She want. Whereas you come from,
A different country.
yeah, they must say,
Dinero.
Dinero.
Better have the cheddar.
yeah. So that I feel them culture away, you know.
Money talk.
Majority of that culture.
When in Jamaica, you can trick. You can
But
trick
you
a
see-
girl and get the crutches. It's not so easy over
Yeah,
there.
because a woman all across the world,
So,
women all across the world, them
So-
have different cultures. But
so wait. So what I said then is more. Would that be more prostitution over there then? Because they basically sell it straight then. They might tell you straight.
but prostitution is not that.
When you pay, when you pay for it,
But we
once you pay
no, we
for
pay for
it.
every woman.
Yeah, but
So them man, every woman are prostitute.
Jamaica 9 to 5 woman, them know why you class them as prostitute.
But you have to pay
Yeah,
for them.
pay
though.
for it same way, but
That's
don't
why
say
I
that.
say. That's why I tell. I correct you there, so.
Yeah.
So it's not prostitution. Prostitution is a different thing. It's just that them defend them bread.
Straight, that is
Yeah.
straight. The upper
Just
of
like
the cheddar.
Jamaican woman too, you know, them defend them bread. But
Nah, you can, that's what I'm saying. You can trick a Jamaican girl, though. You can promise
as a
her.
Jamaican man. But guess
Yeah.
what? You see, maybe just look on it from a tourist perspective.
Right.
Maybe if a Jamaican girl see a tourist, a white man, now,
True.
she gonna dig in pocket.
True.
I see him way. So you going on
True.
tour, you was a tourist. They are saying, maybe them not treat freedom local man that way there.
Them have one man on the block where him not spend $1, but when she go out the streets and a tourist approach her,
But
straight
as a
money.
tourist in the Dominican Republic, it's a different experience than home. Is what I am saying.
Yeah. I get what you say.
Yeah, you can communicate with them way easier. You know what I mean? You can approach somebody and they will stop and pay attention to you, a female, and converse.
Them I hear what you have to say.
Yes.
Jamaican woman now get the
Yeah,
time of it.
yeah.
She just gone, as you said, the
As I
one
said,
way.
running, she fly around, she run off. Yeah. You see? Yeah. If she all then here one precipice, she go to chuck off.
Yeah.
Because she no want here.
Tired of it.
Yes. Yeah, in a club now, just like what I talked about earlier, you know, them prefer wine up and one another because really and truly, them no want to come, but them prefer pick you out
Yeah.
and say, yo, me like that man, yeah.
Right.
I saw them girl operate in Jamaica. Make me have to just make them pick you out and know, say, yo, rare.
You have a better chance to make them pick you
Yeah, bro.
than you rush them. Them
Yeah.
tired of man I rush
Yeah,
them.
them are like the thirsty, because they must say thirsty. 'Cause as a general, you have most of just clean out your own.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And if you make a little one step, you make a little one step and match up. But
Yeah.
this, go over into them and brother, them would judge you for the first sentence where you
You better step to them with a Kyle. If you never Kyle in a yard.
and you see your approach.
Yeah.
You have to be confident and assertive, brother. You have to clean and smell good. And the woman them will listen to what you say. You don't them don't want to hear that, brother.
Alright, you want me to notice for Jamaican woman too, when you said sometimes you make them approach you like This a couple years ago in a club. Me and my brethren them and the man them say buckle. So me never know them a buy buckle, you know. So me in front of the table, stand up in front of the table. And all of a sudden, one blood clot big body girl come and I pack it up on me, you know, bro.
Just so.
Just a pack it up, bring it up, pop. And I say, oh, go on, so I enjoy myself, get the wine, get all our number. Me and her rock like say we're there for 10 years.
Yeah.
Say, what
The whole night.
so after I get the number now, she say, all right, later, and she gone. I turn around, I say, Hennessy buckle on the table. So I say, oh, you know, say, Hennessy buckle makes you forward.
Yeah.
Because the whole damn the table empty, you know, and nothing now go on. But as the buckle come, the girl them reach.
Things.
So sometimes too, that's why I understand why the man them buy Hennessy now and the high-end
flexing.
liquor. Yeah, 'cause it draw the woman them
Attention.
like a magnet.
Attention, yeah. I understand.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And yeah, that definitely will. And even this thing with them come out nightclub with the excitement.
Alright.
It's once
Them want to know who them a fall like a mat to a play.
Yes.
Them want to know who this
But you see, but what you're going to attract right there are them ones.
the gold diggers.
Yes. When you do that, you're going to attract those girls. See?
Yeah.
So if you want to do that, you can do that, you know.
Yeah. But there's no who you gonna get.
Just know who you're going to get. Or you can just come some woman on the corner and want easy. And then we pray. Sometimes silence works too.
Yeah.
Sometimes silent work too, brother. Once you can hold your own and them can tell.
Yeah, man. Them read you like a book.
Them size you up, man. Them size you up. Them size you up. And I think once the girl in the streets, certain way, she can size up very easy. Just like how we can size them up.
Yeah, man.
Cause we can size them up too, you know.
Yeah, man. I just real that, man.
Yeah. So I just circle that. I just want to come back to the days now, cause I think there's a lot of competition between male female.
Yeah.
And there's so much gender wars. I want to come back to the place where woman love man and man love woman.
Simple.
Yeah, bro.
The basic days.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, I bring
Cause
it
some
back.
man them a move like a man them love too.
Yeah.
You get me? I say? Yeah, I'm gonna feel low it out, man.
Yeah, that's
I see artists are come through 420 the other day, brother.
Yeah.
Oh, 40 man, not even. I mean, I said to myself, not
that
even
one woman.
Not even one who couldn't say, yo,
They try to
Trisha,
look to see one woman in the mix. Beer, man.
Trisha, what you do tonight? Yo, roll with me. You're right. You know me and the artist apart. Not one out of the 40 man. Them. Would you just comfortable, so? Me not like it.
That's why I'm read Chris Brown. When Chris Brown come Jamaica, and the man have 40 women behind him. You know?
Yeah, bro.
I say no, that youth a real G.
I saw them man.
I
roll,
said
you
a
know.
40 man, the man have 40 women
I saw them man
behind
they
him.
roll, you know. Yeah. All you need is security, brother.
Yeah.
All
Three
you need
big tall bodyguard after that.
Where you
beer
are going
woman.
with 10 million woman? With 10 million man.
10 million man.
A 40 bullet you expect to get? Come on, bro.
Yo.